I like a glass of champagne. I've got a lot of energy, and I've always had that, physical energy and mental curiosity.
Barbara Taylor Bradford, a symbol of success and vitality, has not only made a remarkable mark in the field of literature, but also serves as a shining example of how to live a healthy and active life across decades.
About 20 years ago, I remember coming to see you, and you were so lovely. We did a big special on Barbara just to celebrate her wonderfulness. And that's you in your beautiful, beautiful New York apartment.
Oh, that was River House.
Ah, it was gorgeous.
Yes.
It was.
You can see that there has been hardly any significant change in her over more than 20 years. So, with over 20 published novels and a career spanning more than 50 years, you might wonder, what is her secret to maintaining such energy, creativity, and mental sharpness? Imagine being able to live a healthy, energetic, and joyful life just like Barbara Taylor Bradford, without being burdened by health concerns. This is not an impossible feat. Barbara has proven that living long and living well is entirely achievable if you choose the right approach. Do you want to know how to start your journey to a healthier life like hers? Stay tuned as I share the valuable secrets from Barbara Taylor Bradford's lifestyle, which can help you not only improve your health but also experience joy and freedom in your everyday life. And if you find my video helpful, please like and subscribe right away to keep receiving more useful information. 1. Self-care mindset.
I'm very healthy.
You are.
Touch wood.
Yes.
I don't take pills.
Right.
I eat carefully. I don't drink much.
Barbara Taylor Bradford has spent her entire life taking care of herself and maintaining a polished, vibrant appearance. But let me emphasize this, beauty is not just about the outside, it's closely connected to inner health. When Barbara shares that she doesn't take any medication except for vitamins, we see a very sound mindset: prevention is better than cure. This means that someone like Barbara, who remains in stable health without medication, is extremely rare. Because of this rarity, we should learn from what she does, from her skincare routine to maintaining a healthy body. When we take care of our skin by thoroughly removing makeup each night, we're protecting it from factors that cause premature aging. Barbara always uses a variety of moisturizers, which is also a testament to skin protection. But what I want to emphasize even more is that Barbara doesn't just take care of herself for her own sake, but also for the loved ones around her. She has cared for her appearance to always look fresh, and this positivity resonates with those around her.
You know, I hate people when they say, "Oh, why are you so dressed up?" I say, no, I'm not dressed up. I'm the way I've always dressed.
2. Sleep. Sleep is an essential factor in maintaining health and youthfulness, especially for older adults. Barbara Taylor Bradford understands the importance of sleep well. She usually goes to bed around 10 or 11 p.m. If she is writing a book, she gets up at 6 a.m., otherwise, it may be 7 a.m. This shows her emphasis on quality sleep. Sleep not only helps consolidate memory but also supports immune function, enabling the body to fight against chronic diseases. Research from JAMA Network has shown a graded association with average sleep duration. Participants who slept less than 7 hours were 2.94 times, 95% confidence interval, CI, 1.18 to 7.30, more likely to develop a cold than those who got 8 hours or more of sleep. Experimental studies have also demonstrated that sleep deprivation results in poorer immune function, such as reduced natural killer cell activity, suppressed interleukin-2 production, and increased levels of circulating pro-inflammatory cytokines. Therefore, prioritize sleep. A good night's rest not only restores the body but also enhances mental health. Establish a regular sleep routine, avoid using electronic devices for at least an hour before bed, and ensure your sleep environment is quiet, dark, and comfortable. If possible, take a short nap in the afternoon to recharge, just like Barbara does. This not only improves work performance but also helps keep your mind alert and clear. 3. Exercise. When it comes to health and vitality, we cannot overlook the impact of exercise. She shared that she read the book Get Up by a Doctor, and the content truly made her anxious. The book emphasizes that sitting for too long can have serious health consequences, which is quite challenging for her since she often sits for hours on end to write. Research indicates that prolonged sitting is believed to slow down the metabolism. The study titled Sitting Time and All-Cause Mortality Risk in a Large Prospective Cohort of Men and Women has shown that individuals who sit for more than 4 hours a day face a significantly higher risk of developing health issues. These statistics are genuinely concerning, especially for those over 50, an age when health problems start to become more prevalent. Therefore, I want to encourage you to find ways to stay active throughout the day instead of sitting for hours at a time. To maximize the benefits of exercise, Barbara has started walking every day, and even during lunch, she tends to stand instead of sitting to eat. She shared, "Every hour, I take a moment to walk a little. These simple activities not only help me reduce my sitting time but also allow me to better manage my blood sugar and blood pressure." In addition to a healthy lifestyle, the foods you consume are also very important. Let's take a look at some of the foods Barbara often uses. 1. Coffee. Barbara Taylor Bradford starts her day with a cup of coffee, and I understand that many people have this habit too. But have you ever wondered if coffee is truly good for our health, especially when we're over 50? The answer is yes, but with a few important notes. Coffee is not just a drink that helps us stay awake, it also has significant health benefits. First, coffee is a powerful source of antioxidants. In fact, it contains more antioxidants than green tea and cocoa. These substances play a crucial role in eliminating free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage cells. This means that drinking coffee daily helps Barbara protect her cells from the attack of harmful factors. But that's not all. Coffee has another notable benefit: it can enhance brain function. The caffeine in coffee stimulates the central nervous system, helping to increase alertness and focus. This is due to caffeine's ability to trigger the release of hormones like dopamine and norepinephrine, which improve mood and reduce feelings of fatigue. A study published by the National Institute on Aging in 2022 showed that people who regularly consume moderate amounts of coffee have about a 65% lower risk of developing dementia compared to those who do not drink coffee. This is a very noteworthy figure, especially for those concerned about brain health as they age. However, it's important to note that coffee should not be overconsumed. Excessive caffeine intake can cause side effects such as anxiety, increased heart rate, and disrupted sleep. Many people may build a tolerance to caffeine if they drink too much, which means the body will require a larger amount to achieve the same effect, leading to a vicious cycle that is not good for health. Additionally, remember that not all coffee is the same. When choosing coffee, prioritize organic options that do not use pesticides or chemicals. This not only helps protect your health but also reduces negative impacts on the environment. Avoid adding too much sugar or cream with saturated fats to your coffee, as this can increase calorie intake and negatively affect heart health. So, if you are a coffee lover like Barbara Taylor Bradford, keep enjoying it. Coffee can be part of a healthy lifestyle, as long as you know how to drink it wisely. If you regularly drink coffee, comment 1 below so I know. If not, let me know what you usually drink in the morning. 2. Fish. Barbara loves fish such as flounder, bass, haddock, cod, and plaice. These are all nutrient-rich white fish. First and foremost, they are an excellent source of protein while being very low in fat. This is extremely important because when the body absorbs protein without too much fat, it helps reduce the risk of weight gain and heart-related issues. Additionally, white fish are rich in vitamin B6, which helps combat inflammation in the body. This means it can alleviate discomfort from chronic inflammatory conditions such as arthritis and asthma. The vitamin B3 found in white fish helps boost the immune system and supports the body in recovering quickly from infections. For Barbara, this means maintaining a healthy body that is ready to handle any environmental changes around her. Moreover, we cannot overlook the role of phosphorus. The phosphorus in white fish plays a crucial role in maintaining bone structure and density. Another notable point is vitamin B12, which is essential for maintaining the function of the nervous system and healthy blood cells. For those over 50, a B12 deficiency can lead to memory problems and anemia, so getting enough of this vitamin from white fish is essential. White fish also help control cholesterol levels, allowing Barbara to maintain a healthy circulatory system and reduce the risk of atherosclerosis. I want to emphasize that Barbara can maximize the benefits of fish by using healthy cooking methods such as grilling or sautéing with a bit of butter, rather than deep frying. This way, the essential nutrients are preserved, while the intake of unhealthy fats is minimized. 3. Green vegetables. First of all, green vegetables like kale, spinach, and broccoli are rich sources of essential nutrients such as vitamins A, C, K, and folate. These nutrients not only boost the immune system but also play a vital role in maintaining vision and bone health. I want to emphasize that as we age, our immune system weakens, increasing the risk of illness. Green vegetables naturally help the body fight this decline and reduce the risk of age-related chronic diseases. When comparing 5 common broccoli cooking methods, boiling, steaming, sautéing, and stir-frying, steaming retains the highest level of nutrients, making it the top choice for preserving the vegetable's nutritional value. This is crucial because overcooking or cooking at too high a temperature can cause valuable nutrients to be lost. To maximize benefits, I recommend steaming green vegetables instead of boiling, as boiling can result in the loss of more than 50% of the vitamin C content. Remember, every time you minimize cooking time, temperature, and water usage, you're helping to preserve the best nutrients for your health. Additionally, green vegetables are high in fiber, an important factor in maintaining a healthy digestive system and reducing bad cholesterol, LDL. But it doesn't stop there. The antioxidants found in green vegetables help combat free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage cells in the body. Free radicals are a major cause of premature aging and increase the risk of chronic diseases like cancer. People who consume more green vegetables are up to 15% less likely to develop cancer compared to those who eat little to no green vegetables. If you're not used to eating green vegetables, start by pairing them with other foods you already enjoy. For example, Barbara Taylor Bradford likes to have steamed green vegetables as a side dish with fish. This is not only a delicious way to eat them but also an excellent way to boost fiber and vitamins in your diet. 4. Seasonal fruits. Barbara Taylor Bradford shared that she tends to gain weight if she doesn't keep her diet in check. So, instead of indulging in sugary and calorie-dense desserts, she opts for fresh, seasonal fruits like blueberries, strawberries, and cherries. This is a smart habit worth adopting. When we talk about seasonal fruits, the first thing to highlight is their nutritional content. Fruits like blueberries and strawberries are rich in fiber, vitamin C, and powerful antioxidants. Barbara understands this very well. Eating seasonal fruits helps maximize their nutritional benefits because when fruits are harvested in their peak season, they reach their best in flavor, quality, and vitamin content. Out-of-season fruits often undergo long transportation and cold storage, which can significantly reduce their nutrient levels. This means that if you eat blueberries and strawberries in the summer when they are freshly harvested, your body will receive more benefits compared to eating them in the winter. To get the most out of these fruits, choose organically grown options and buy them in season. You can also pair them with protein sources like Greek yogurt or nuts to create a balanced snack, helping to control hunger and maintain stable metabolism. 5. Lamb. Lamb can be a controversial food choice for many people, especially those who don't regularly eat red meat. But for Barbara Taylor Bradford, it's different, as she has loved recreating her mother's lamb stew recipe. This dish holds sentimental value because her mother was a wonderful cook who made it for the family during the tough winters of wartime. Barbara has copied this recipe, continuing to honor those precious memories. She takes shoulder and neck cuts from the butcher, dusts the meat with flour, and then browns it to lock in the flavors. This technique not only enhances the taste but also creates a rich base for her stew. While lamb is high in saturated fat and may not be the healthiest option for daily consumption, it contains essential minerals and vitamins that are very important for our health. To maximize the nutritional benefits of the stew, Barbara enriches the dish with chicken broth sourced from the same butcher. Homemade chicken broth, in particular, provides a wealth of nutrients, including calcium and magnesium, along with essential building blocks for cartilage and tendons. Unlike powdered broth, homemade chicken broth is a golden liquid packed with nutrients that serves as a solid foundation for her soup or stew. Adding ingredients like carrots and onions will enhance both the nutritional value and flavor of the dish. Moreover, during the colder months, enjoying a warm soup is a great way to maintain your nutritional intake while still keeping calorie counts in check. If you find yourself often getting distracted while cooking, perhaps wandering back to the office like Barbara, consider investing in a slow cooker. Slow-cooked meals allow flavors to blend beautifully without the risk of burning the pan. This approach not only preserves the deliciousness of the stew but also lets you focus on other tasks. In addition to the aforementioned foods, Barbara Taylor Bradford also makes an effort to avoid certain foods in her diet. First, Barbara particularly avoids desserts, especially sweet dishes. Next, Barbara is very mindful of her salt consumption. She chooses not to use salt when cooking at home. Finally, Barbara is a careful eater. She understands that her body can gain weight very quickly. Therefore, she limits her carbohydrate intake, especially foods like potatoes. While complex carbohydrates can be beneficial for health, a low-carbohydrate diet can help with weight management. And of course, living a vibrant life is also a way to stay healthy.
And it's the mind. I always say people who don't read newspapers and don't go out to movies, who are getting older, they just fade away. And when you retire, you die.
So, we've explored the secrets that have helped Barbara Taylor Bradford maintain her youthful appearance for 20 years. Are you curious about other ways to preserve your health and youthfulness? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends and loved ones. Don't miss out on more useful videos like this to protect your health and that of those you care about. Let's work together to create a healthier and happier world. I truly appreciate you taking the time to watch and share this video. Wishing you abundant health and a fulfilling life. See you in the next videos.